High-rise glass faces rain, dust, and harsh sun, hard to clean, trapping heat and driving up energy use. JAS-LGC is not just a glass coating, it's a complete protection and energy saving system. Factory cleanroom coating ensures consistent, high-level quality with zero contamination. Automated spraying, then cured at 40 to 60 degrees Celsius in a clean zone into a transparent nano film. One layer protects. 2 layers reach a 120 degrees contact angle for stronger, longer-lasting resistance. Interior glass coating blocks heat in 99% UV, cutting indoor temperature and AC energy use. Thermal imaging. 32 degrees Celsius bare, 30 degrees Celsius coated, 28 degrees Celsius dual coated. The self-cleaning coating keeps glass cleaner, reducing washing frequency by 30 to 70% and lowering gondola maintenance costs. Factory pre-coating with dual protection keeps curtain glass cleaner, more efficient and sustainable. Contact JAS today. Cleaner glass, lower energy, a sustainable future.